mano yudo chandruok manokel kod oula gi muko mar ude manitiere gi ngaoche medo yudo kony kowuok kuom jochiw kony mowuok e riwruoge mopogore opogore. Jata tije mar Faro Foundation Dr. Edward Rokwaro owacho ni chal marach ma ji odago sani alworano kaluwore gi midhiero ma kamago ema nomiyo gikawo okang' mar ng'iyo kaka inyalo konyogi ka gitudore gi riwruoge mamoko mag oganda kaka Mathare Social e kind mamoko. Familia go kony mag chiemo, gige rito ler, lewni kod gige somo ne jopuonjre. Kaluwore gi Dr. Rokwaro, riwruogno biro keto okenge makare mongirore mar kedo gi midhiero masiko mako familia mang'aw e alworano.
Here, I never realized the serious suffering that the people are having, both in terms of the immediate aftermath of the floods, but even the subsequent impact of the demolitions, which we see on the TV. And some of us see it very lightly, but it's really unbelievable. Until you come and see what is happening here, you will not understand. So for me, my heart goes out to the people here. But this is a learning of what we must not do into the future. We brought some of the kids here to look and see what really life is about, both in terms of what adversity can bring, but also how humanity can come together and try to solve this in our own small part what is happening here. So the kids, obviously from the experience, many of them have never seen this kind of thing. I can see in their faces, some of them are very troubled. The smell, the sight, really, I think it's affecting them, but I think it's a positive impact in the sense that in the long term, they will hopefully then rise up to the occasion, both in terms of acute problems as and when they arise, but even in the longer term planning of where the country should go.
We are very appreciative, and we are saying thank you, and we say long live Faro Foundation, and we also thank for coming with the children of Tender Junior Academy. We also in solidarity to support children, because what we are experiencing here now is really affecting our children.
Are you ready to turn your skizzer tunes into cash? Dial *487*.